How to source filters on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Now at the top you'll find this option of your story. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on this option of camera. With that your camera will open up. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options as post, story, reel and live. Select the one for which you want to apply the filter. After you select it, now over here you will find different filters. Just keep on scrolling to the right and at the very end you will find this search icon. Just click on it. With that, different filter options will appear. You can see that by clicking on it you can apply it. Also you'll find different sections as trending, appearance, aesthetic, games and many more. You can just check out these. If you want to save the filter you can tap over here. Likewise, if you want to search for a specific effect you can click on the search icon and then you can type in the name of the filter. With that, filter options will appear. Well, this is how you can easily search filters on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.